Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make green olive tapenade. Cue the music. Alright, thanks a lot for being here today. I appreciate you joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and then share this video and this channel with everybody you know. Like I said, we're going to be making a green olive tapenade today. So let's go down here and see what our ingredients are. We've got 1 cup of green olives, 2 tablespoons of capers, 2 anchovy fillets, 1 garlic clove, 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of olive oil, and a little black pepper and some salt for taste. You will find the recipe link for this down in the description box. That link will take you right to my website, itsonlyfood.biz, where you're going to find a ton of other recipes. Hope you give it a try. Check it out. Alright, we have got our wonderful NutriBullet. This is a smaller recipe. It's not big enough for the food processor that I got, so I don't want to break that out. Let's drop our olives in there, our olive oil, garlic and parsley, our anchovy fillets, capers, about half of this. We're going to season it up later just to taste, and our olive oil. And we're going to mix this up. Like I say in editing, when I'm editing this, I cut the grinding part of it down so you're not sitting there having to watch me grind this. So it takes a little longer than what's shown on this video. Ooh, yeah, that looks real good. There's our tapenade right there. I'm going to pull this out of this so you can get a better look at it. And we're going to set it up with some food, some crackers or something. Come back and give it a taste, but enjoy the music. We'll see you in a bit. Beautiful shots, beautiful food, smells fantastic. That one with the cracker on it, I did taste it. It tastes pretty good. But there's your tapenade right there. Look how it just stays right on the spoon. So thick. You can see the parsley. Pimentos are ground right in there. Not a big deal if they got pimentos in the olives. I'm going to go ahead and put it on a cracker and we'll give it a taste again. Very oily, very briny. You can taste that lemon juice in there, the saltiness of the olive, a little hint of garlic, a little heat from the pepper. It's just so good. I mean, if you like olives, this is incredible. Cracker just adds a little more salt to it. Very Mediterranean. Just make sure you use olive oil. Don't use any of the processed seed oils. Just use some fruit oil, avocado, or olive oil. Makes a difference in the flavor and your health. Beautiful hors d'oeuvre. You can find that recipe down in my description box. The recipe link to go right to my website, and you'll find this recipe. It's worth it. Check it out. And you'll also find a lot of other stuff down in the description box. So check that out, and we'll see you next time.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Yeah, now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food.